how has your drivers reacted to all of this technology? Like, what's the sentiment? Are they just are they glad to have it, or do they feel like Big Brother's watching all the time? Like, what's been the general consensus of your drivers?
Most of them hate it at first. Not all of them, but most of them hate it at first until they start seeing the benefits of them. With our fleet, we don't have cameras facing in at the drivers yet, but I know a lot do, and I understand the reasoning why. We just chose not to do it yet. When they finally see the benefits of having that technology, they really do like it. We just had one of our drivers got into an accident, not his fault. He got hit, and our dash cam showed that the car ran a red light. Well, the driver of that car was claiming that we were the ones at fault. And so our driver was saying, "No, I've got you on camera saying that you're at fault," and that covered him. That could have been bad for him. So they usually will kind of resist it at first until they start seeing the benefit of it, and then they fully embrace it. So, but not all the time. I mean, sometimes they embrace it right away, but sometimes it takes a little bit to get used to.
What you Sam, you're saying in the trucking industry sometimes people are a little slow to adopt new technology and change. Come on.
Isn't it? I hope you were sitting down when I said that. Yeah.
Yeah, man, I just never would have thought that someone would say that. No, all joking aside, safety is a serious issue. And I think from the perspective of the driver, yes, once it might take a while to get used to it, but once you get used to it, those cameras are there to protect you. And I think that's really important.